These classic-looking boots are made from sustainable artificial leather, with an upper designed to resist water and hold up even in extremely wet conditions. It has faux-fur lining and a soft-knitted topline for comfort. Anti-skid thermoplastic rubber soles help prevent slipping and sliding. Mishansha hiking boots are perfect for hiking, trekking, walking the dog, walking, mountaineering, camping, skiing, casual, working, shopping, driving, etc. Are also as a good Christmas gift. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Reviewfindly present Mishansha Anti-Slip Winter Hiking Boots Review. Classic design. High-top snow boots designed with elastic lacing system and feature artificial leather vamp for fashion appearance. Leather, animal leather and artificial leather are called leather. Mishansha's brand concept, from the perspective of protecting the world's ecological environment and responding to the call of the World Animal Protection Association to achieve a balance between humans and animals, Mishansha's hiking boots are made of artificial leather. Water-resistant hiking boots. Mishansha winter snow boots are featured artificial leather vamp. It is water-resistant and prevents the water seeping into the winter shoes. Warm winter shoes. Mishansha winter boots are made of fleece-like inner lining to retain your feet heat and keep you warm in this winter. Warm snow boots, cushioned footbed for supportive comfort. Perfect for all outdoor winter activities. Classic lace-up winter boots. High-top snow boots are designed with elastic lacing system, slipple and stylish. Adjustable shoelace are easy to put on and take off. Non-slip snow boots. The men's/women's snow boots are made of rubber outsole, more stable, non-slip and abrasion-proof, and flexible response to various outdoor terrains. Mishansha winter hiking boots. Mishansha hiking boots are perfect for hiking, trekking, walking the dog, walking, mountaineering, camping, skiing, casual, working, shopping, driving, etc. Are also as a good Christmas gift.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.